Hello friends, welcome to Tax Coder. Friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how can we apply mail merge in OpenOffice. So let us start. First of all, you are going to open OpenOffice, and after that, when you open your OpenOffice, you will be go to connect the database. Click on the database. You have these options. Just click on database. And when you click on database, you are going to connect an existing database. So here I am going to choose spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, I am going to go next, and now we are going for the location of our file. So here I choose the location, spreadsheet database. So in this case, I have a list here. This is my list. When I choose the list, now I first show you what the list actually has. Here list has my data, like I double click and open this. This is my list. These all are data there. It saves the time, so that's why I already created my list. In this list I have first name, last name, street, city, pin code, contact. These are some sample records I have. Now in the same approach, when this thing is added, I am going to the next and open database for editing. I just unmark this. Yes, do not register this data. I just go to finish. Okay. When I click finish, it again needs the name of my database. Here I am writing example and save this. It's already saved. And now we open the text editor. I am writing a simple letter here. So in this same Word file, what you want to write, you can write as the letter. But our main task is here to merge the connected data fields here. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can. Like you want to go for the invitation. I am writing here dear. After dear I am writing here. This is just the thank you. I am saying thank you. I just give thank you for the visit to list of my addresses. These all addresses. Huh? Here now we are going for the view, insert. These are the menus. You can also go for database here, or you can press F4 from your keyboard. Okay, if you press F4, it's already open your selected database. Which you already connected. When you click on F4, it opens this. Now what is there in the example? I am having queries or tables. So here in the tables we have sheet 1. So what you are getting here, this is my actually data list, and it is now connected to the data source in the document. You click on the sheet. When you click on sheet, all my data which is placed in my Excel sheet, that is available. Now we are going to drag the fields one by one. Suppose I want to write here 2. And after that I am writing address here. Drag city after street, and after that you are going to drag the pin code and contact. Now all my fields which are available inside of my sheet is available to add. It's already added. So after dear, if you want to again merge your fields, you can. There is not any kind of the restriction there. I am just writing after dear, I am writing one space after first name, last name and comma. So now all my fields are merged there, and if you go for here, what you are getting now, fields are merged, we are go for the tools and mail merge wizard. So in the mail merge wizard, it has 8 simple steps. We go for next. If it is a letter, I go to choose letter, I go for next. And after that, if you are writing there any kind of address blocks, you will be mark this. Otherwise, no need to do anything, go for next. After creating this document, if you again want anything, you will be go for this document should contains the document. Now what you are getting, when I click on edit your document, it automatically gives you the first name here, and it has total different records, 4 records are available there. Now we move to next. When I go for next, again we have personalized your document, edit individual. If you want to do anything, this is optional, otherwise you go for next. Here you have number of things for do. By default we have go to save starting document, save the merged document. Which kind of the document you want to go for, you will be go for that. And if you directly print your document, you go for the here, and which default printer is available, that is here, you go for the print document. I am going to save. Here we are going for the save merge document. When you click on save merge document, you have again options. I am going to save my whole document. So in the desktop, I am going to save my document like mail merge. Okay, I go for save. So what you are getting, my document is saved there, and I am going to finish. And again I am going for the close this window. So this one you are getting, all of the documents are available now with the merged values. Okay, so again I am again from the first document, I am going to scroll. This is my first merged document, second merged document, third merged document, and fourth last one merged document. Okay, so this video tutorial explain you how can you do mail merge in OpenOffice. Thank you for watching guys. Like this video and subscribe to TextCoder.